I discovered the secret method for my chickens to devour the pumpkin. You'll see it here shortly and can do it yourself. It will work with other vegetables and fruits, other backyard animals. You can do this by yourself or as a family activity or friends activity. In the end, the payoff is worth it. Seeing the chickens themselves discover the secret too and be happy little tornadoes eating and playing. As you see me carve the pumpkin, remember the carving can be done many different ways. That creativity is up to you. Around the 5-minute mark, you'll see the super secret backyard food hack that works for this. And around the 7-minute mark, you'll enjoy almost as much as the chickens are enjoying, engulfing what we made. Let's start.
Oh, and it's gonna shake the whole table. That's not gonna work well.
Any cutting tool will do. You'll know why in a little bit. You can cut all the way through. The next couple of minutes, I'll expedite the video to faster speed. So it's not me moving my hand very, very fast. It's just a 2.5x, but for you to still see me carving it, let's get there.
I'm just gonna let him pick out the pieces.
The next 3 minutes will be more carving. Any design can happen here. Around the 5-minute mark is where it's gonna get interesting. It's gonna get messy. I forgot to put something under the pumpkin. Let me do that now.
I'm scared.
While we're in the carving part of the video, this is where your creativity takes over, or your non-creativity. You'll have to look up some guides what to carve. Comment some ideas, what to carve, how you're carving, what types of tools you're using, specific designs. Whether it's for Halloween, this is a pumpkin example, but it could be for any holiday, any occasion, and feeding your animals in the backyard. Let's see some comments. Thank you. The next 2 minutes, I'll be quiet. You'll hear the background noise with the chickens running around while I'm carving, but at around the 5-minute mark, let's get there. It'll be interesting.
Can you hold the table? Okay.
Oh, it's moving because your leg, Dad. Your leg is
No,
under the table.
no, the table's wobbly.
Yes, that is true, but you're also pushing your knee.
I'm trying to hold it.
Oh, well, it looks like you're just pushing it.
Okay.
Yeah. Mouth or no?
Yeah. Oh, that moved back. Oh, at least there's two of them there.
Here we go, around the 5-minute mark. Did you catch that? Did you see what happened there? We're gonna talk about this part a little bit more. Usually you wanna take out all of the seeds, but we're not doing that. We're cutting it, we're taking out the pumpkin part, we're putting it back. You might be doing that normally depending on your design, but we're keeping all of the seeds in there. We're making it very easy for part of the vegetable or the fruit to be removed by the chickens. Guess why? The action is gonna start very soon, very quick. For a little bit more attention, let's put some on. The first one is approaching. They can feel it. Something is there. Something is inside. Keeps looking around, poking around. Okay, it's taking a while. Not sure how smart they are. Let's keep watching.
I finally dug into it.
Oh,
Give some to the girls or the babies.
get in the pumpkin.
Well, that was fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Chickens are enjoying it. Digging in there.
What?
Look at that one. He's sticking his whole head in there.
Go.
Summary: what happened? When you cut it out, leave the seeds in there. Put the vegetable back in there and let the chickens, any animals enjoy it, but don't take out all of the seeds as you normally would. Finally made a good use of the pumpkin and the seeds inside. Subscribe if you enjoyed that. We have more of these videos coming up. Look at these chickens.